Okay, imagine this. You need a website, like now, and you build it, a really professional one, in maybe 60 seconds. No coding, no wrestling with design tools. You just type what you want, and boom, AI does the heavy lifting.
Right.
Sounds a bit sci-fi, doesn't it?
Yeah.
But, well, welcome to 2025.
Yeah.
Because that future, it's actually happening right now, especially for creators, entrepreneurs, people like you listening.
It really is a massive shift, totally revolutionary, you could say. So for this deep dive, our mission really is to unpack how these cutting-edge AI tools are making super fast website launches, well, a reality. We want to show you how these tools don't just, make things quicker, but how they genuinely empower you, whether you're maybe a solopreneur running a small business, a freelancer needing a portfolio.
Or even a student trying to get a startup idea off the ground.
Exactly. Those groups.
And to give you the quick version, the inside track, we're diving into 3 specific AI platforms. These are the ones really sort of trending right now. Durable, Mixo, and the new Squarespace AI Blueprint. So, yeah, let's get into it.
All right, let's start with Durable. What's really striking about Durable is just how simple the starting point is. You literally just describe your business idea. Like in plain English, you could type, I need a website for my digital marketing agency based in Miami. That's it.
And that's where it gets wild, right? Because in just seconds, it's not just giving you a template. Durable actually generates like a whole site.
A complete site, yeah. We're talking, branding elements, the actual text, images that make sense, even working contact forms. It's supposed to be the full package, pretty much ready to go.
Okay, but how ready is ready? I mean, does it still need a ton of tweaking, or can, say, a small business owner actually use it straight away?
That's a really good point. It is designed to be production ready, but they know you'll want to adjust things. So it comes with this super intuitive AI editor. Changing an image, tweaking some text, it's designed to be easy, even if you're not techie. But what's maybe even more useful is the built-in AI assistant.
Oh, what does that do?
Well, it helps with the stuff around the website. Like, it can help you brainstorm business names if you're stuck, or draft some ad copy, or even suggest blog post ideas. Think about that cognitive load when you're launching something new.
Yeah, totally.
For a solopreneur or that student with an MVP, it means you can focus more on the actual idea, not get totally bogged down in the mechanics of setting everything up.
That sounds amazing for anyone who's ever just like stared at a blank screen trying to think of a business name. Okay, so shifting gears slightly. If Durable is about that kind of comprehensive all-in-one build, then Mixo, the next tool, seems laser-focused on speed, right? Especially for quick launches.
Exactly. Mixo is positioned perfectly for, say, side hustlers or creators who just need a clean, effective landing page, and they need it, like, yesterday.
And the claim is 30 seconds, you give it your idea, and 30 seconds later, you have a live site.
That's the pitch. And honestly, that speed is a huge deal for maybe marketers testing out a campaign concept or students validating an idea quickly. Now, you asked about trade-offs. And yes, you probably get less deep customization compared to Durable or a full Squarespace site. But for its purpose, rapid validation, it's incredibly effective.
So what do you actually get in those 30 seconds? Just the headline?
No, it's more than that. You get essentials like email sign-up forms, super critical for capturing leads right away, and sections for testimonials to build that initial trust. Think about it from the perspective of an entrepreneur juggling multiple ideas. With Mixo, you could seriously mock up landing pages for 3 different concepts in, less than an hour? Get them out there, see what resonates.
Before committing huge resources, that makes a lot of sense.
Right. And it also connects easily with other tools people use, things like Notion, MailChimp, Zapier, which helps automate workflows, connecting different apps together so they work smoothly. It fits into an existing toolkit.
Okay, so we have Durable for the full build, Mixo for lightning-fast landing pages, and then there's Squarespace AI Blueprint. This one's newer, right? And from a platform lots of people already know. How does it fit in?
Yeah, Squarespace AI Blueprint is their latest push into this space. It takes a slightly different tack. It's more like a guided interview process. It asks you a few specific questions about your business, trying to understand your goals, what you need the site to do.
And based on those answers.
Based on that, it constructs the entire site structure. It figures out logical page layouts. And here's a key thing. It even suggests SEO-friendly content designed to help you actually get found on Google and other search engines.
So it's thinking about visibility from the start. Who is that best for then?
Well, it seems particularly strong if you're aiming for something like a full e-commerce store, selling products online. Or if you're a freelancer, maybe a photographer or designer, Building out a really polished portfolio, it kind of democratizes that professional online presence. An artisan baker, for instance, could potentially set up an online store that looks great, is structured well, and has SEO baked in, competing effectively without needing a big budget or a dev team.
Right. So we've looked at these tools, Durable, Mixo, Squarespace, AI, Blueprint.
Hmm.
They're clearly powerful. But let's pull back a bit. What's the bigger picture here? What does this really mean for you, the listener? It feels like AI isn't necessarily coming for web designers' jobs, but maybe it's massively lowering the barrier for everyone else. Is that the main takeaway?
I think that's exactly it. The fundamental shift is empowerment for creators. These tools offer some really core benefits directly to you. First, you can launch your ideas so much faster. Speed is critical these days. Second, you can test more ideas, a few different angles, spin up a few sites, see what sticks with much less risk and upfront cost.
Saving tons of time and money in the process, I imagine.
Absolutely. Time you would have spent figuring out design or money you might have spent on development. So, if you're a freelancer needing that professional shop window, if you're a coach launching a new program, a small local business that needs to get online, or going back to the student example, validating that startup concept, these tools mean you could literally decide this morning and be live this afternoon.
Wow. That barrier to entry for having a real effective online presence, it feels like it's just kind of vanished.
It's significantly lower, yeah.
Okay, to wrap things up, the future of building websites quickly isn't some far-off dream. It's here. It's accessible right now through these powerful AI tools that are streamlining the whole thing for entrepreneurs, creators, anyone with an idea they want to share. So the final thought to leave you with is this. Given how quickly, how easily you can now bring a website, an online presence, into existence, what's that brilliant idea, that passion project you've been sitting on that you'll finally feel empowered to launch out into the world?